A Casino, Ocean's 11, The Hangover, all blockbuster hits with one thing in common. They were filmed right here in Las Vegas.
And many could have been filmed on a soundstage in Los Angeles if it was not for the Nevada Film Office. They have been around since 1982, and they're responsible with attracting movie studios right here to film here in the Silver State. 8 News Now reporter Sally Jaramillo is live with an inside look into how they get that job done. Sally?
You might recognize this particular location from the movie Casino featuring Robert De Niro. And just like this one, there are many more here in Las Vegas.
Viva Las Vegas!
We have a very deep and long history in film.
If he's involved in a murder, I need to know about it.
Director Eric Price with the Nevada Film Office says as a division of the Governor's Office of Economic Development, it's their role to promote the state of Nevada to film, television, and other content creators.
Over the last few years and over the last several, we've seen an increase in the amount of filming here in Las Vegas and throughout the whole state of Nevada. That's indicated by the number of film permits that just keep increasing year after year.
Some of the most iconic films in Las Vegas: Casino, The Hangover, and Ocean's 11. But there's more.
Most recently, last summer, the Jason Bourne movie was a big deal. Matt Damon drove a car down the Las Vegas Strip with cars exploding all over the place. You don't see that very often.
Right now,
7 Days Alive is currently filming here in and around town with some of the biggest stars in China.
And reality shows like Vegas Cakes that films at Freed's Bakery already airing its second season.
There's always reality shows that you see on TV that the Pawn Stars, the Counting Cars, the shows like that, Flipping Vegas.
And many others we can't talk about due to privacy agreements.
There's a lot of the bigger productions want to film under the radar, and then once they are completed, they want everyone to know about it.
When it comes to locations, local Nevadans can earn a profit as well.
If you're not in the film industry at all, but you have a local business, you could be in a film or a television show because they want to film there.
Many practical locations, such as a coffee shop on the side of the road, gas station, laundromat, that portray everyday life can earn new customers and a fee.
That could start at zero if they make a deal for promotion, or it can go as high as $25,000, $35,000, $50,000 a day.
Director Price says right now, original content creation is where the money is.
Netflix is going to spend $8 billion this year on content, and Amazon and Facebook and YouTube are not going to be outdone by that. So they're all going to be spending.
There are 600 locations listed in Nevada's Film Office online database. For more information, you can visit lasvegasnow.com. Reporting live, Sally Jaramillo, 8 News Now.
Thanks a lot, Sally. And LA made it so tough to film there with those high taxes and what they started. They got really greedy, Los Angeles did. So the benefit is in Canada, Albuquerque, Vegas, other spots that they go, okay, we'll go somewhere else.
And it's also hard to fake the Strip. I mean, I think that would just be cost prohibitive if you were going to try to build a fake version of it, even model size.
We started calling it Bourne Boulevard when they were filming the Bourne movie.
Oh, yeah,
it was just every morning you had Matt Damon cruising up and down the Strip.
Wow, unbelievable. We're gonna need our SAG-AFTRA cards again, I think.
What do you have to do to get one of those?
I think it's a huge fee, right? It's a huge fee to sign up for it.
She's played a reporter in a few movies. I'm sure she's got it.
I'm sure you guys have them as well.
Well,
anyway, let's talk about the weather.
I signed up for it, but nobody ever called me.
If you appear in Sharknado, they make you give it back.
They take it away.
They take it away.
That's the Razzie Awards, right? All right.